Hello everyone, how are you all? I am doing absolutely fine in my life and I am Banu Prasad. I have completed my graduation recently and I am running a YouTube channel, not only a YouTube channel but also I am taking spoken English classes through Zoom application. If you are someone who just want to improve, who just want to flourish, who just want to develop your speaking skills, just approach me through email. So I have given my email ID in the description of my channel, so just go and just check out. If you are someone who requires communication skills most, just approach me, right? Thank you so much for that. And if you are someone who have started following my channel very first time, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. It is really giving me and also it is pushing me forward to shoot more and more videos for the sake of you guys, without wasting our valuable time and without wasting your precious time. So let's jump into the today's video. In today's video, I'm just not going to talk about any important aspect regarding communication skills. It is considered a small mini vlogs which I just want to shoot. I just want to explore something in today's video. Just see guys, so I am actually surrounded by lush greenery and mountains and also my farm surrounded by me. So I just want to tell you few things in this video. So this is my farm, so I come here and I shoot videos and also what I exactly do in my real life, where actually I stay in Hyderabad and due to Raksha Bandhan, so I had to come my hometown and right now I'm at my hometown itself. But whenever I just want to speak in English, so you all know in village, so no one can speak in English, right? So even if we are trying to speak in English, the other people who are there to listen us, so they can't understand what exactly we are speaking, right? So if it is my passion, right? So what exactly I do, I just come to my field and I just describe everything. Like for example, now you can see this greenery, everything, right? So I just come here and I just try to explore different ways. For example, okay, how greenery it is surrounded, it is occupied, right? And also if you look at my background, so there are many trees and everything, right? And if you see here, so there is a you can see the flowers, right? So hibiscus flowers actually along with this coconut tree, so which has already grown up, so I have planted by this also. So now it is also the flowers are blossoming, right? And also just wait, I'll show you something here. So if you look at that mountain, so I just describe everything. So however I just want to shoot and everything, right? So you can happily look at the greenery and everything. So what I am trying to tell in today's video is just try to describe everything. For example, since you wake up until go to bed, what exactly objects you found, what exactly objects you are surrounded by, right? So just go and just step out and just try to describe everything. For example, if I talk about this tree, coconut tree, so I can speak like this. Okay, so this coconut plant so has been planted by me and also now it has completely grown up, so it gives shelter and also it is about to give fruitful and sweetful fruits in the future, right? I can say. And whenever my parents come to do any work regarding field related work, so they can happily sit under this and they can rest under this tree, right? So it is going to be a lot of advantages for us, right? Because that has been planted by me and also it is in my field, right? So why I am trying to tell something new in this video is you have to take a step and you have to do something new every single day. You have to create something every single day. For example, you should not complain, you should not blame and you should not give lame excuses on yourself. See, the day when you stop giving lame excuses and the day when you stop procrastinating things and the day when you stop giving complaints about yourself, definitely your growth will start there itself. Consistency matters and your commitment matters and everything. So consider this is a vlog, but I am trying to give my best in every single video in order to help you guys. That's it. All my intention is to help you speak English fluently. So that is why every single day, despite having lot of other works to me, I am just dedicating my small amount of time for shooting this video and just giving some valuable content for you guys, right? So just try to understand my efforts also and whatever the efforts I am putting every single day. In a similar way, just try to do something different, because there are many people who are commenting and there are many people who are approaching me that okay, we are facing lot of struggles, we are facing lot of problems to speak in English language. Actually, where do we start and how should we start speaking in English? So these kind of comments have been receiving from people from a very long time, right? So I just want to tell only one thing, that so until you take action and until you step out and until you start speaking, so you cannot achieve this kind of fluency, right? So no matter what happens, no matter how busy your schedule might be, but you have to give yourself some valuable little amount of time for speaking in English. Then your growth actually will start there itself for getting fluency, right? For example, you have a strong desire and you have been trying to speak in English from a very long time, but you are not finding any good results in your speaking English. Why? Have you ever asked this kind of question? Have you ever got this kind of doubt in your mind? If yes, just let me know. But I just want to tell you from my side that you are listening to something, you are putting efforts, but you are, when it comes to speaking, I don't know whether you are practicing or not. When it comes to speaking, you have to put more efforts, extra efforts you have to put, right? For example, your friend and you are there, your friend is speaking some amazing English. When compares to you, you are not at all even trying every single day, but after 1 month, so your friend fluency will be higher than you, because your friend, without giving complaints, without giving lame excuses, and without procrastinating, whatever the time he has dedicated to himself to practice this English language, he is focusing on himself and he is continuously practicing, he is continuously putting efforts. Whereas you are always giving excuses, lame excuses, and you are giving complaints about yourself that I don't have anybody, right? So after 1 month you are going to regret, right? So whatever the regret you are regretting in the later, so it is very disorderful, it is very, it is very awkward, right? So please don't regret in the future, but whatever the time you are having in your hand right now, so just use that time wisely, because whatever the time is flowing, whatever the time is flying now, it won't come back. Definitely, if you are wasting your precious time by not doing any activities at this moment in present situation, you are not going to achieve anything, but the thing which you are going to do in the future is regret. Definitely you are going to regret that, because for example, if you are a student, if you are able to finish your graduation, so some of your friends might be learning some new skills, some of your friends might be learning this spoken English classes from somewhere else, and they are improving, they are upgrading their skills each and every single day, but they don't tell you anything, right? So all of a sudden they will be somewhere. When it comes to you, so you are not learning anything, but they are not revealing the truth, right? So you are going and you are meeting, whenever you meet them, so they don't do anything, but whenever you go away from them, so they start doing they will be busy in their daily routine, like learning some new skills and everything. One fine day they'll get a job and they will be very happy. At that moment you will start regretting that, okay, why did I waste a lot of time, why did I give all the time excuses, why did I procrastinate all my time, why did I waste my precious time? So definitely this kind of regret is going to be there in your brain forever, there in your heart forever, right? So in order to not regret in the future, what exactly you have to do? Take steps wisely. Your mobile is there, so if you want to get rid of your fear by facing the camera, just there is a record option, right? Just start recording and just speak something by looking at you in the mirror or else in your front camera, right? So this is how you have to do multiple things. This is how, not only for one method you should not try, you have to try some different methods. You may not know, right, which method, which attempt will make you successful. Then why are you simply sitting, and then why are you simply blaming yourself, then why are you simply roaming here and there without not doing anything, right? So is that necessary? So whatever you do in your life, just ask one question. So whatever I am doing right now, is it helpful for me or else is it harmful for me in the future? If you know the answer, definitely your mindset will change. You will definitely, you are the only person who is going to change your total life, your poverty and everything, whatever the struggles you have been facing from a very long time and whatever the struggles you are facing right now. If you want to see the beauty in your life, you have to go through the struggles, but you should not give up. You should be consistent and you should not procrastinate, and you should do different multiple methods. See, this is a simple language. Why are you scaring to speak in English, guys? Because English is very, very, very necessity nowadays. For example, if you want to get a job, you need to have good communication skills. If you don't have good communication skills, will you be hired? No, you will be simply rejected from the company, right? Because they will only say that your communication skills are not good. Just go and just improve your communication skills and just come back. So then I will be hiring you. So again you are going to waste a lot of time there, because responsibilities will be there and you will not know how to improve your communication skills, right? So that is why I'm advising you, whatever the time is having in your hand right now, just try to use that. So whatever the time you are having right now, so just try to use it wisely and just to know. So whatever the time is having in your hand, just try to use it wisely. So definitely, so whatever the results you are seeking from a very long time, so you will get it, no doubt at all. And just remove the self doubt. So remove the self doubt which is there in you. Definitely you will get all the possible solutions and everything. Okay, so from my wholeheartedly, I just wanted to tell you here, and I just did here in today's video. So just remove and just eliminate that kind of fear from you. That's it, right? So this is what all I wanted to convey in today's video. Hope you guys find this video really helpful and useful, and I'll see you in the next video with one more beautiful content, and you can say how the background and location is behind me, right? Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. You guys take care and keep pushing yourself, keep uplifting yourself, and keep updating yourself. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me and encouraging me. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.